For more than 50 years, Hammers Autoworks has been a symbol of excellence and professionalism in the local community. Our customers' vehicles are restored to like-new condition by OEM-certified technicians with original equipment manufacturer parts. As technology advances and cars become more sophisticated, Hammers Autoworks remains committed to OEM certification and training to ensure no matter the make or model, we'll fix it right.